So you ready to change your life? You've come to the right place at the right hour. I was just about to change my life, but we can do it together. I know you miss me. I know you miss me. I'm looking sexy. I'm looking sexy. You looking sexy. And don't forget to like this video, bestie. You looking sexy. Oh, I know you miss me. What's up, and welcome back to 30 Days of Pouring Into Ourselves. Yes, we're normalizing breaks because I'm human and you're human, and I still do my affirmations, so I hope you are still doing yours. This is a no excuse way to make more time for you every single day. We show up for ourselves, affirming each other with words of love and light, sharing some of the world's greatest music tastes, brought to you by your host with the most. I know, clap it up for me. But me with no audience. But today we are here diving back into it. I really took a break so I could make sure that I was in the right space to say these life-changing affirmations to you again, because I really wanted to continue where we left off instead of just, you know.
You love it? It's snake jazz. Move like snake, move like snake.
So we're back at it again with the Vans. Damn, Daniel. The song of the day today is No More Lies by Thundercat and Tame Impala. Just such a vibe. Ready? Like, it's Sunday. It's Sunday. I'm just trying to feel the vibes. Are you not trying to feel the vibes? I'm just trying to feel the vibes, have a good day, and just relax. Like, just give me all the good energy. But anyways, my question for you today is, if you could see inside of your heart, what would you see? Are there things that you feel like that are present that there should or shouldn't be? And if so, what are they? You could just say emotions, it could be a person, whatever it is. We're just checking in with ourselves. So that's my question for you to pick your brain for the day. And now look at us zooming past, going so fast. We are on to the affirmation section. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna take 3 big old deep breaths. Okay, big deep breaths, and on the last deep breath, make sure it is the biggest one you've taken for the day. Let's do it. Ready? And inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Last one. And inhale. And exhale. Yeah, I forgot to say make it deep before we took it, but you already know. Come on, don't play with me. Let's dive in and finish up where we were. Are you ready? Now repeat after me or just listen. My life is positively shifting upwards every day. I internally feel big changes on the way. My nervous system supports me in taking the next leap. We're gonna say that one again. My nervous system supports me in taking the next leap. I invite positive, radical change into my life. I invite positive, radical change into my life. I embrace prosperity as it is entering my life at this time. I am aligning with opportunities that serve my highest good. I am aligning with opportunities that serve, oh my gosh, that serve my highest good. Say it with some enthusiasm. Say it like you mean it. That's why we're here. We're to say it like we mean it and we feel it in our bones, in our soul. My life is rapidly and beautifully transforming before my eyes. I said, my life is rapidly and beautifully transforming before my own eyes. There we go. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it now. You feeling it? I'm feeling it. My nervous system is being accustomed to big positive changes. My nervous system is being accustomed to big positive changes that are entering my life at this time. Yes. The universe is delivering me surprising and beautiful miracles. The universe is delivering me surprising and beautiful miracles. Unexpected and expected blessings flow to me now. Unexpected and expected blessings flow to me now. I know you're feeling it. I'm feeling it. Ooh. I am attracting money like water. I am attracting money like water. It is flowing effortlessly to me now. I am at the vibration of miracles. I am so close to receiving my blessings. I feel them now, entering my life. I resonate with the frequency of abundance. Okay, hold on. I resonate with the frequency of abundance, and it finds me now. I resonate with the frequency of abundance, and it finds me now. I feel myself internally and externally shifting, coming into my higher self. I feel myself internally and externally shifting, coming into my higher self. The universe loves to see me in love with my life. You know we're saying that again. The universe loves to see me in love with my life. The more money I receive, the more good I do in the world. The more money I receive, the more good I do in the world. I am now aligned with my highest healed timeline. I am now aligned with my highest healed timeline. And I step forward into my future with boldness. I step forward into my future with boldness, with confidence, with hope, with joy. There I go, speaking life into you again. I am progressing much faster than I know. I am currently on the brink of miracles. And am open to receiving them at this time. Okay, this one's a long one. I am ready to embark on this new journey and embrace the unknown for the blessings that they hold. That it holds. One more time. I am ready to embark on this new journey and embrace the unknown for the blessings that it holds. I am the flower that has reached full bloom. I am highly adaptive to change, like a chameleon. I am ready to make decisions that best suit my needs and desires at a moment's notice, breathing through it all. I am ready to make decisions that best suit my needs and desires at a moment's notice, breathing through it all. I say these things with high hopes and full detachment, so that I allow abundance to flow as is. With gratitude. We're going to say that again. I know that was a lot. I say these things with high hopes and full detachment, so that I allow abundance to flow in as is. With gratitude. I say these things for the good of all and with harm to none. I say these things for the good of all and with harm to none. May my wishes come to fruition. Abundance and blessings are now washing over my life. Abundance and blessings are now washing over my life. And just like that, I want to thank you for taking some time out of your busy day for me. Oh my gosh, I feel so honored. Like, I was not ready to receive this award. But anyways, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and just try to breathe easy. And until tomorrow, I'm gonna miss you so much. What am I gonna do without you? Okay, I need to end this video. No, you hang up. Okay, bye.